How to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again error whenever you try to log in into TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you might want to do is long press on your TikTok, and there you'll find an option to clear its cache. Simply tap on it and clear its cache. And after you do that, you can head back. Now head over to your settings on your iPhone, and after you do that, scroll down till you find General. Tap on General, and after you tap on General, scroll down again. There, make sure your date and time is set to automatic. If not, tap on Set Automatically and it should work. After doing that, scroll down, and there you should see VPN and device management. You'll need to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. As you can see right here, mine says not connected, so I'm fine. So I'll just close this window out. So yeah, after doing that, you can head back to TikTok to check if it works. If it does not work, you can come back to settings again, come to General to this page, head over to iPhone storage, and then head over to TikTok. Search for TikTok after this loads and offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app, and then reinstall it afterwards. After doing that, your TikTok unable to authorize error should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.